Hello everyone, so today I'm here back. It's been so long since I created a video, but like new syllabus, everything, so it's kind of hard. So I'm trying to go up with that. So yeah, without wasting time, I'm here about this video. The main purpose of this video. So recently I have programmed Predictor. So it takes all the databases from the MongoDB cloud, and then it predicts what the future and based on what you suggest and based on your input. So I'll just explain you the code. So the code over here is a simple machine learning application that uses TensorFlow and MongoDB. The code first creates a MongoDB Atlas client, which is used to connect to a MongoDB database. So this Atlas client is important to connect to the MongoDB database, where every data is stored. And then from the data in the database is then retrieved and used to create a TensorFlow dataset. So TensorFlow is used to train and create models. So you can create models and then train them like machine learning, data science, etc. Even for AI it works. And then so this TensorFlow module is then created and trained on the dataset. Finally, a prediction is made using the model and the data taken from the database, and the result is printed. So I'll give you a detailed explanation of the code. First, I import the TensorFlow and the PyMongo libraries. There are two types of libraries for MongoDB database. We can use MongoDB or else PyMongo, but I used PyMongo because I had error. I couldn't use MongoDB with Python. And then next, I'll create a MongoDB Atlas client and then connect it to the specified database, so that I can get the database and everything. So to get the database, I need to install MongoDB Atlas client and then give my username, password, cluster URL, and then the database which I want, the specified database. And then after that, we should get the data from the MongoDB. So what we do is we give it a collection. So the client finds the collection media, the specified database, the specified collection in the database. So so this program goes and fetches where that specified data collection is in the MongoDB database. And then after that, we create a TensorFlow dataset. So we create a TensorFlow dataset from the data that was retrieved from MongoDB. So over here, we train the TensorFlow module with MongoDB's data, the data we got from the database earlier. And then next, we come to the next few lines, the next few, whatever you can call that. And then we create a TensorFlow module. So module is really important for this thing. So this set of lines consists a TensorFlow module with 3 layers. One is the first layer is 128 neuron. It has 128 neuron and uses the ReLU activation function. The second layer has 64 neurons and also uses the ReLU activation function. The third layer has 1 neuron and uses the linear activation function. So all this activation function helps us in creating the module. And then I have used I have even used a stochastic gradient descent optimizer. So you can call it SHD algorithm for the better training of the module. And then over here we come, the next thing is only about the SHD algorithm. So after this, this set of lines trains the model using the stochastic gradient descent optimizer and the mean squared error loss function. So the model is trained for 10 epochs. So like this SHC is like a algorithm used for the higher accuracy and for the higher accurate prediction. So this in this what do you call, yeah, this SHD is like it helps you in correcting and giving more accurate predictions from the MongoDB database and from the module. And then after that it does a prediction. So this model does a prediction with the data given. Yeah. And then after that, after analyzing the data and then predicting a thing, it just takes a random like bunch of predictions, and then in that, from that, it takes the most likely one to happen, and then it then prints the prediction. And then this is all the how the code works. Uh, so like this code will help you to predict the future with the given databases from MongoDB. So yeah, that's it. This video is short, I know that, but I don't have much time. I'm working on another thing soon. For example, a website and then few other database related programs, and then even my 10th standard is going on. So like yeah, it does take a lot of time. So the videos won't be regular, but I'll try from my busy schedule. Yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah, bye.